Hey cryptocurrency market, it's Denny Lovejoy, your favorite blockchain tutorial Jedi Master, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Byteball wallet. So let's jump right into it. The first step is to find the correct domain name, so I'll show you how I do that. I go to coinmarketcap.com, and in the search here what I'm going to do is type in Byteballs, which is spelled B-Y-T-E-B-A-L-L, and it shows up here as Byteball Bytes. And we're looking for the website, so let's go straight there. And it's leading me to byteball.org. So you could search that if you want, just make sure you don't misspell it and verify it's connected to a HTTPS website, and verify it has a green padlock right here which tells you it's a secure connection. And the second way you can find the website is to go on their Twitter, so I'll show you how I do that. I'm gonna go to CoinMarketCap here and scroll down to social here and click social, and I'll scroll down again, and this link right here, byteball.org, is the Twitter profile, so I'll click that and take notice of how many followers they have, which is 15,000, and the link that they're promoting is byteball.org, which is the same website. So great, this is the website. I'll exit out of here and Twitter and CoinMarketCap, and we'll go to step number 2, which is to choose the correct wallet. And the way you want to download the wallet is go to the website, and on the top right here it says download wallet. Go ahead and click that, and what we're gonna do is scroll down, and as you can see they have the options for your phone, either iOS or Android. They have a Windows, Mac, and Linux option. However, before we download anything, I do want to let you know that this Byteball wallet that we're downloading is the main wallet, highly recommended for everyone, and it's developed and maintained by the core Byteball Bytes development team. So with that said, let's go ahead and download the wallet, which is step number 3. And at this point in the video, go ahead and choose the appropriate download for you. I'll be choosing a Mac, but you could still follow along with me in the video. So I'm gonna choose Mac right here, and if you take notice on the bottom left side, it's starting to download. Go ahead and let it download. You could pause the video here and recontinue the video once it's done downloading for you. Okay, great. It looks like it just finished downloading right now, so we're gonna go to step number 4, which is to install the wallet. And all you have to do is press this download right here to start opening it. And the next step here is to drag this Byteball to the applications folder. And I'm gonna try opening it now by double clicking it. And it's saying, are you sure you want to open it? I'm gonna say yes, open. And it's telling you the terms of use now. Go ahead and pause the video here so that you could read the whole thing. Once you're done, go ahead and click agree. And it says, please choose how much data to store in your wallet. It says keep only data relevant to you or download the entire Byteball database. And I'm gonna stick with the default option here, which is keep only data relevant to me, and click continue. And it's saying to give this device a name, so I'm gonna choose my name, Denny Lovejoy, and click continue. And I'm gonna click here get started. And here is the wallet. This is the Byteball wallet. And it says here small expenses wallet. What I could do on the bottom here is receive. So I could copy and paste this and send that to people who want to send me Byteballs. And then I could send. So I could choose what I want to send. And then I could enter the amount of Byteballs. I could send a message, and I could put in someone's Byteball address here and click send. There's a history and a chat right here. Inside the chat, there's a contacts and a bot store. So if I go back to home here, this is the wallet. It says there's 0 bytes in it and there's 0 black bytes in it. But this is the wallet. Apparently it's called a small expenses wallet. And if you click on the top left here, it says add wallet. It also says paired devices and settings. So that's about it for this Byteball wallet. In this video, I am not sharing with you how to send, receive, backup, protect, or even update the wallet. In this video, I just wanted to show you how to download and install it and show you how the user interface looks a little bit. However, there's one more thing that I want to mention, and that's step number 5, which is to verify that you can open and close the wallet. So I'll show you how I do that. I'm going to go ahead and drag my screen to the top left here and bring my Byteball up too. And I'm going to click Byteball on the top and click quit. And the way to confirm it's disconnected is by checking your Finder, going to devices here, and if you notice there's Byteball connected here, I'm going to have to click eject here to get rid of it. And to reopen it now, you're going to have to go back to your Finder, go to your applications, and then go to Byteball. What you're going to want to do is right click and then click open. It's saying, are you sure you want to open? Say yes, open. And here it is, one more time. So great, we verified that we could open and close it. So congratulations, you successfully downloaded and installed the Byteball Bytes wallet. And that wraps up my video. If you like watching blockchain tutorials like this, get the cryptocurrency investing blueprint. You could learn more at cryptocurrency.market/blueprint and get 10% off using my promo code Denny2018. Be sure to follow us on Twitter. My social handle is Denny Lovejoy. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to set up a Byteball's wallet. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, leave me a message on Twitter. Thanks again and have a terrific day. I'll see you on the next blockchain tutorial.